Flux Primo Next-Gen Electric Dirt Bike Performance. The Flux Primo redefines electric motocross with a bold fusion of power, agility, and smart technology. At its heart is a 7 kilowatt-hour swappable battery, enabling extended ride time with battery changes in under a minute, perfect for uninterrupted off-road adventures. Its 450-volt high-performance system powers a high RPM motor producing a staggering 85 horsepower and 750 newton-meters of torque at the rear wheel. With 95% motor efficiency and advanced liquid cooling, the Primo maintains peak performance even in the harshest conditions. Riders can fine-tune their experience using the intelligent control system, which integrates with the smartphone app to customize power delivery, traction, and throttle response. Onboard GPS, gyroscopes, and accelerometers elevate both safety and ride dynamics. Surin Ultra B, high torque, smart tech, and trail-ready versatility. The Surin Ultra B delivers an impressive combination of electric power, agility, and innovation, making it a standout in the mid-range electric dirt bike market. Priced at $7,999 Canadian dollars, it's equipped with a potent 12.5 kilowatt permanent magnet synchronous motor, generating an exceptional 440 newton meters of torque and reaching speeds up to 56 miles per hour, 90 kilometers per hour. With a 74-volt, 55-amp-hour lithium-ion battery, it offers a remarkable range of up to 140 kilometers at a consistent 40 kilometers per hour, and fully recharges in just 4 hours, making it ideal for long, off-road escapades. Designed with rider adaptability in mind, the Ultra B includes 4 distinct ride modes: Sport, Daily, Eco, and Reverse, plus the Intelligent Surin Traction Control System, STCS, for optimized grip and control on all surfaces. Built on a lightweight forged aluminum alloy frame and featuring fully adjustable suspension, the Ultra B provides a perfect balance of stability, comfort, and nimble handling across varied terrain. Cake Calc OR. Lightweight precision meets trail-dominating performance. The Cake Calc OR, priced at €6,970, is a premium electric dirt bike that fuses advanced engineering with rugged capability. Driven by a powerful 11 kilowatt motor producing up to 280 newton meters of torque, it reaches speeds over 90 kilometers per hour, making it a versatile choice for both trail exploration and track racing. Weighing only 52 kilograms, its 6061-T6 aluminum frame ensures effortless handling and agility, while 24-inch custom tires provide superior grip and durability across varying terrain. The removable 51.8-volt 50-amp-hour battery offers a range of up to 86 kilometers, with a full recharge achieved in just 3 hours, keeping your ride time maximized. Cake Buck. Precision power for the extreme off-roader. The Cake Buck is a purpose-built electric dirt bike engineered for serious off-road riders who demand peak performance and uncompromising control. With an impressive 16 kilowatts of peak power and 456 newton-meters of torque, it rockets from 0 to 45 kilometers per hour in just 2.15 seconds, reaching a top speed of 45 kilometers per hour speed of 90 kilometers per hour for thrilling acceleration on any terrain. Its cutting-edge suspension system, featuring premium WPXA CTPRO and Racing Brayos components, delivers exceptional responsiveness and stability across the roughest trails. Kaiofan F80. Off-road, built for the bold, engineered for the extreme. The Keofen F80 Off-Road, priced at £4,995, is a high-performance electric dirt bike tailored for adrenaline seekers and hardcore trail riders. Packing an 8,000-watt motor, it launches from 0 to 50 kilometers per hour in just 2.35 seconds, with a top speed of 85 kilometers per hour, delivering serious off-road thrills. With 310 newton meters of torque and the ability to conquer slopes up to 40% gradients, the F80 thrives in challenging environments where others stall. Its 72-volt 32-amp-hour battery delivers a maximum range of 100 kilometers at 30 kilometers per hour and fully charges in only 2 hours, keeping downtime to a minimum. Designed for rugged adventures, the F80 features a durable frame, 200mm front shock travel, generous ground clearance, and a comfortable 830mm seat height, ensuring both control and comfort across uneven terrain. Electric Motion Escape ER. Silent power for the adventurous rider. The Electric Motion Escape R, priced at £9,799, is a premium electric dirt bike crafted for touring, technical trails, and extreme freeriding. The 2024 model elevates performance and rider experience with advanced features like EM Connect and a TFT display, offering enhanced connectivity, ride customization, and real-time performance monitoring. With a peak output of 11 kilowatts and a robust 2,690 watt-hour battery, the Escape R delivers powerful, sustained performance across long-distance rides, making it ideal for remote exploration. Its finely tuned suspension system, featuring 175mm of front travel and 170mm rear travel, Talaria Sting R MX4. Compact power, precision. Handling. The Talaria Sting R MX4, priced at $4,200, is a high-performance electric dirt bike that strikes the perfect balance between power, KTM Freeride, EXC Premium Electric Performance with proven off-road heritage. The KTM Freeride. EXC is a high-end electric dirt bike engineered for riders who demand premium performance and rugged versatility. Priced at $11,300, it features a potent 18-kilowatt brushless synchronous motor delivering up to 24.5 horsepower and 42 newton-meters of torque, offering smooth, responsive power across all terrains. Its advanced 3.9 kilowatt-hours KTM Power Pack enables extended off-road sessions and recharges fully in just 1.3 hours, minimizing downtime. Designed for technical trails, the Freeride EXC boasts a high-performance WP Explore suspension system with 250mm front and 260mm rear travel, providing exceptional shock absorption and rider comfort. Weighing only 111 kilograms, the bike's steel aluminum composite frame, Formula hydraulic disc brakes, and giant laced wheels ensure precise control, durability, and premium build quality. With a 910mm seat height and 340mm ground clearance, it's built for agility and confidence in the most demanding environments.